Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section connected with the apps. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on other settings. Here we have to tap on reset up preferences, and your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.